Today I'm going to show you how to fix the x.com or Twitter error where you can't log in. If you're getting stuck on the login screen, being redirected, or the app just refuses to sign you in, this quick fix can usually solve it. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and if it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, try logging in through your browser instead of the app. Open Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you use, and go directly to x.com. Sometimes the app has a temporary issue, but the browser version works fine. Enter your username and password there and see if you can get in. If that still doesn't work, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the clear browsing data window in most browsers. Make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then clear them. Old session data can stop X from loading properly or cause login errors, so this is one of the most important fixes. After that, check whether you have a VPN turned on. If you do, disable it and try logging in again. Sometimes X blocks or struggles with VPN traffic, and turning it off can immediately fix the login problem. Once you've done those steps, go back to x.com and try signing in again. In many cases, that's all you need to do to get past the error and regain access to your account. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes, tutorials, and step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.